Let's create a custom template. Make sure to download and open the file called monthly budget template. And the usefulness of creating custom templates is, let's say you need to create a monthly report over and over and over, and instead of every month recreating the file, let's create a template, and then every month let's just use our template. So we're going to call this then monthly budget. Enter 3 times. Let's add bills and Jan 2020, and it's very similar to what we did 2020 March to 2020. We'll add a percentage here. We'll add the total here. We'll call this budget item 1, and then budget item 2, and then budget item 3, and then budget item 4, and then budget item 5. Call this a total. We'll add our count. We'll add our min. We'll add our max, and we'll add our average. Brilliant. Let's go to monthly budget. Let's change this font to Verdana. Go. Change these headings to Verdana as well. Brilliant. Let's change this budget items and the total. Let's change this to Calibri Light. And these max and mins, let's change these to Verdana as well. There we go. And I'm going to change the information to Calibri Light. Great. Let's go with heading and change this to bold, italics, underline it. Let's change the font size to maybe 20. Might want to change it a little bit as well still, we'll see. Let's just make it bigger. There we go, 36. Let's change our headings. Maybe we're going to change this to 14. Let's select cells A to F, anywhere between any of the 2 cells. Let's just double click it. Alright, it's made it too big because of this monthly budget. Let's just drag this cell. There we go. Brilliant. Let's add some color. Let's just select this color. Oh, we can even maybe, yes. Before we do that, let's merge this across the selection. Before we even do that, let's just make our totals here. Let's just make these slightly bigger as well for all of them. There we go. And let's take our monthly budget, go to the home tab in the alignment group, click on the arrow, make sure we select the alignment in horizontal. Let's go center across selection, click on OK. Let's change the background to blue, change the text to white. Here we go. Let's select our headings. Let's change this to maybe a lighter blue. We can, yeah. Alright, so now let's also now take our values and we say January and the totals. Let's change this to accounting. Let's make sure that we set this to South African Rand, as well as the count, as well as the count will be records. The minimum and the maximum will be budget items, as well as the average. Let's change these as well to accounting. Make sure our currency is set to our Rand value. Then let's add our sum totals. Now there's no data, so it just says sum, and let's just drag it. There we go. And I'm just going to copy this, paste it, and I'm going to paste on my total for the percentages as well, and I'm going to paste this on the total. I'm even going to go to my minimum, maximum, select all of this and paste that in there as well. Oh no, I shouldn't, that's sum values. Let's just go to the percentage and let's just change this to a percentage field. There we go. Let's just change these fields to percentages as well, and let's go to our minimum and our maximum here. I'm going to change these to account. That is accounting, that's awesome, and that is also accounting, that's great. We also want to add our sum values to calculate all of those monthly budget items. I'm going to copy that, paste it, paste it, paste it, and paste it. Yeah, great. So let's rename our sheet to monthly budget, really putting everything together that we've learned. Great, so now we got that. Let's add our counts in here. So we can go from the home group, in the editing group, let's select count, or rather let's use FX, and we'll go and click on count. We'll make our selection, click on OK, and then we'll copy that across. Let's go to our minimum, click on our FX button, let's select min. Is min there? Min is not there. Let's type in min in our search for a function, click on go, let's select min, and let's select our range, click on OK. Let's copy that across. Let's go press escape. Let's go to our maximum value. Let's go FX there as well. Is max there? No. Let's type max at the top. Let's find it. Let's select max, our range, copy this, paste it and paste it, press escape, and then let's go for our average. There is average. Select our average, click on OK. Now it's giving us an error, and that is only because of the fact that there's no values. So don't worry about this when setting up your template, as this will sort it out once you start populating it. From there, let's look at our percentages. Just select all of this, and let's, from home in the number group, change these to percentages. And then let's add the formula, and we'll say that it equals, the percentage equals our budget item divided by our total for the total, and it's going to give us all this division errors. Don't worry, because you can't divide by 0, but once you start populating, all these errors will actually disappear. Give us our total there again, that divided by our total, and then the last one equals that divided by our total. Brilliant. Let's select cell A1, and now we're going to save our file. We go file, save as, and what we are actually going to be doing is, now at the documents, instead of our monthly budget template, we'll click on the drop down where it says Excel workbook.xlsx, and we will actually find the one that says template, Excel template, and that is an Excel TX. And then let's save our file. Then let's close Excel, and then let's open up Excel again, and we should be seeing our template, monthly budget template. There we go. Something that you can pin as well. Let's pin it. There we go, to our monthly budget template. Look at the icon, it's different. It opens up the file, and the moment we start typing information in here, can you see that all that division zeros have actually now disappeared? And the list will start populating as you start entering information. So that takes care of custom templates. Take the time to design these properly, as it can save you a lot of time when working.